I got some icing wifey's there. All right, boom. So I got my first Alibaba package. What you doing? I got my first Alibaba package, and I'm about to open it up. It just came today. I'm so excited. Well, we're gonna let y'all see what it is in a moment. We'll check it out. I'm gonna give wifey the camera so y'all can see. Box got wet a little bit. It was sitting up. Oh, they wrapped it up in plastic, so we straight, which I knew they did. I didn't doubt that. But yo, let me give y'all some insight. I've been talking to this supplier for about, it's been about a few months now, or not few, like maybe 2 months. Since like July, I guess. Yeah, a little bit before July, because in June I ordered a sample hat, and these are finally the finished products, which I had them do a little bit of changes to. Dang, there's a lot of hats in here. 50 hats. Wrapped in plastic, so the box being wet didn't even affect it. 50 smacks. Let's see. You gotta get a close up on this one, baby. Get a close up on this one. Let's see. The all custom classic hat. Check this out. Serving as a standard of excellence. Boom. Got my own patch on the side. I had to make the patch a little smaller, which it looks more symmetrical to me, which I wanted. And then serving as a standard of excellence indeed and lifestyle on the inside. First custom classic hat. Straight off of Alibaba, man. So if you're afraid to order on Alibaba, well then, here's your video. Here's your message telling you, don't be afraid. Just find out, talk to people, ask questions, get pictures, check out the live video. They do live Q&As and videos like every week, all the time. They're usually, if you live in on Eastern Standard Time in the USA, then they're probably gonna be waking up when you're going to sleep and going to sleep when you're waking up. So it's best to get out them at like 9 at night for us. Now I'm cool with these style of hats. Most people, they prefer like truckers or ball caps, but I like these. They're more classic style and vintage to me. They remind me of like that Spike Lee era. This is a good outfit on the head right here. But this right here is a video telling you to stop being afraid and reach out to those suppliers on Alibaba, because they do good business. You just gotta talk to somebody you can trust. You order samples, which they all do. You order some samples to see how you like your samples. Like I'll show you. I got a sample. First hat. So this was the first hat, which I do like, the print better, but the red didn't match, so I wanted to change that. And then I got this patch on the side, a little bit smaller. But basically everything else was the same pretty much. I drew this up myself, and I sent this to them. Did it on Photoshop, sent it to them, and she was able to get it done. It took a few months to get the big order. This is what, September? I ordered this back in like July, and I'm just now getting them. It took some time, but they probably had hundreds of other orders they were taking care of, so I'm not sweating it. But I really like this. And I like the color, like the detail. It's embroidered stitching. It's clean. And it's a custom cut and sewn hat. And then if you like, you can bend the cap a little bit, But yeah, man, this is your ticket. This is your video and your encouragement saying, go to Alibaba and put your order in with the suppliers, man. They do good business. They do great work. This is great work. The company I ordered from, I can't even I don't even know if they're on the box, but they're called AUNG Crown. I think it's Ung or Young. I don't know how they pronounce it, but Ung or Young Crown. I talked to Betty at Young Crown or Ung Crown, and she was very helpful. She answered all my questions. She loved how I detailed my picture, because I'll show you on the screen what the picture is of the product. I gave her great details, what I wanted, what kind of stitching I wanted, what colors, the exact color Pantone and code I wanted. And then I told her, I even got down to the detail of the straps, how I wanted it, whether I wanted plastic, Velcro strap, or whatever material. I told her how big I want the patch and where exactly to place it. So all that stuff is important. Details. They was even able to make these stitching holes right here white, which is crazy, because that's a whole different color from what this side is. This is a red on the side. But from what I'm seeing, man, I'm really liking the detail of these hats. Maybe in the future I'll probably change some things with the embroidery. I'll maybe just keep thinking of ways, but for now it's cool with me. I like it, and I think my core customer base will like it. Plus these are my brand colors, so I can rock with these all day. And this is a classic feel, man. Any age group can rock this. Whether you be 70 years old or you be 10 years old, you can rock this. As long as your head can fit in a classic hat, you can rock this. So yeah, go on Alibaba.com, message some vendors, some suppliers, manufacturers, get to know them, see what products they offer. They'll give you catalogs. This lady, Betty, she gave me a catalog, very helpful, and I would recommend them 10 out of 10. I'm gonna keep using them. Those people, they be mad at me because they don't want you to get, this is free game, but I found it for free, so it's for free to you. I'm saying, I ain't tripping. Just put your order in with whoever you feel comfortable with. But other than that, man, my name is Harrison. This is Classic Label Clothing. Thank you to my wife for filming the video. We serving as a standard of excellence indeed, and in lifestyle. Get you one. Get you one when they drop. Get you one. Peace and blessings.